Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a 2015 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. It's a Black Mountain edition. It's got tubular side steps. These are 37-inch tires. Rims are 17-inch Black Mountains. It's got the matching spare in the back. Black Mountain rear bumper with integrated tire carrier and tow hitch. Black Mountain shocks. Black Mountain wheel flares. These are steel, finished in a crinkle finish. Tires are 37 by 12.5, and the rims are 17s. Got a Black Mountain steel front bumper up front. LED pods. There's a light bar up here with 6 LEDs, super bright on top of it. Black Mountain winch. There's pillar pod LEDs up on the windshield, and then you have the large LED light bar up top. Black hardtop. Custom taillight covers as well. It's loaded. It's got leather. Custom stereo. Black Mountain embroidered on the seats. Power locks, windows, mirrors. Tilt wheel. Showing 15,496 miles. Runs and drives perfect. Custom stereo. It's ICS X7 HD. It's got Bluetooth and all the goodies by Alpine. Show the switches for the lights. Automatic dimming rearview mirror. All weather mats all the way around. Black Mountain handles. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give us a call. We're at 631-339-0399. And hope to hear from you soon. Thanks a lot.